Hello, my name is Omar Abasad. It's 1:48 p.m., June 15, 2019. So I'm going to give you today's sampling of the signals coming out of my body. Hand, chest, face, eyes, cheeks. So I'm going to use the other detector to give you a reading. And this is how high the power is, up to 1100. So my hand is burning right now and hurting. The other one. So again, let me just give you a comparison. That's the computer. So that's near my screen, away from the screen, my body. So my body is emitting higher readings than the computer. So here is the computer. Well, let me point it towards the computer. You can see it there. Since that's the only angle that I can show you with the readings. Sorry about the upside down, but it says 300. And if I touch it, it goes up to 1600. The closer you get to the computer, the higher the readings. So that's 700, 8. And if I actually touch it, it goes up to 1600. So away from the computer, and I touch my ear. Or in my heart area, neck. So you see the readings are all over the place. The power goes up, the power goes down. So I'm going to take my temperature, and just like the power goes up and the power goes down with the signals, the temperature goes up and down. 36.4, 37.4, 1 degree in seconds. And that's consistent findings as well, 37.3. So I don't have anything underneath my arm. Show you there. That's underneath my arm. So I'm putting it underneath my blouse because I don't want to get the cloth, because then you'd get the temperature of the cloth rather than my skin. So 37, 36.8, 37.5, 37.8 is a fever, 37.4, 36.8. My ear, just switched off there. 37.1, 37, 36.9, 36.8. Left there. 36.7, 36.7, 36.6, 36.6. So my eyes are burning, and this is why my eyes are burning and hurting. My sinuses burning and hurting. Power up. Almost triggered a sneeze. That's why. When the power is turned up, it triggers your sinuses. So the power was turned up all night last night. And when the power is turned up quite high, over 2000, you get this feeling of pressure on your body. So it's almost as if someone is lying down on your body or the parts of the body that's affected. So if other types of technologies are used, like ultrasound technology, ultrasonic technology, or sonic technology, you can have other effects as well. But the feeling of pressure intensifies when these signals go up more than 2000. You get quite a bit of pressure exerted on your body and a lot of heat as well. Your temperature goes all over the place. I've had my temperature go up to about 39, close to 40 when the power is turned up in seconds. So it's going on 8 minutes, and you can see the variation in the power. So I'm going to take my pressure and see what it says. The shoulder is a very common place. It's one of the favorite spots to intensify the power, it seems like. Right where you would get a needle. And also because you're using your arm all the time. So when the power is turned up, your arms are sore. And when you're using it, it becomes tired faster. The jaw, which is swollen right now. So the pressure is 108/77, and the heart rate is 79. So I'm going to give you an idea of the fluctuations, yesterday's and today's. So that's today's. Today is the, oh, I'm sorry, that's the 13th. And seems like the time and date has gone a little bit. Oh, there you go. I missed it. Okay, so that's 1:56 p.m. and today is the 15th of June. So that's number one. It's number two. 1:46 today. 1:09. 2:13 a.m. So yesterday is 10:23 p.m., 9:02 p.m., 9:01 p.m., 8:57 p.m., 3:25 p.m., 2:33 p.m., 2:27 p.m., 2:25 p.m., 2:22 p.m., and this is yesterday's, 2:18 p.m., 2:16 p.m., 2:14 p.m., 12:39 p.m., 9:29 a.m., 5:20 a.m., and this is the 13th, 10:57 p.m., 8:37 p.m., 8:35 p.m., 8:10 p.m., 7:05 p.m., 5:02 p.m., 5 p.m., 4 p.m., 3:57 p.m., 3:53 p.m., and 12:17 p.m. So it holds 30 readings, and those were the last 30. So as you can tell, there is a lot of fluctuations, and most of these readings are taken in a sitting position. And as I am now, I've been sitting for at least an hour, and because I've been working on my computer, and I had these cuffs on, and been taking my pressure intermittently as I was working away. So it gives you a good idea of the fluctuations that goes along with the fluctuations in temperature and the fluctuations in the microwave readings, the power of the microwave readings. Well, the power of the microwaves that causes the fluctuations in the readings, I should say. Talk to you another time.